this range has the three ingredients. Okay, one is the plant stem cells. Second is the hyaluronic acid, and the third ingredient is the tripeptide. So plant stem cells is used in the medical field for many years. It's the ability to replace damaged and aging cells that has requirement to be repaired and restored, and that is why they can repair all the lines and all the aging cells. And even if you have neglected your skin, it can help to do repair work, and it also helps to do lifting and firming. Hyaluronic acid is something that's naturally found in our skin, but as we age, it will deplete very much. So we need replenishment, and a lot of fillers injection out there uses hyaluronic acid. So once you fill it up, your skin starts to plump up, so it looks fuller and younger. And the tripeptide is to replace
Run.
So after you wash off your facial peel, so smooth. Oh, so smooth. Look at this. Oh my god, I look like 5 years younger. So if I'm going to do for a few more days, I'm gonna look 10 years, 20 years younger. Okay, so after my toner, after my facial peel, wash it off and you will feel like so beautiful. After that, you put your toner. Okay, I already put my toner. And then you go straight into the lifting serum. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the lifting serum. You can do 2 to 3 pumps, up to you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now don't forget the neck area. Okay, I'm done. So now I'm going to do my eye cream. This eye cream is one. So the next one is the wrinkle filler. So this one is my secret. I actually use it on my laugh line here. I used to have very deep laugh line, so just draw on the line wherever you have lines. Okay, and if you have any lines on the eye area, you can also apply on the eye area. Then you tap gently. Okay, very gently. It's not just a temporary filler, it's a real filler. Okay, so it's a serum plus filler, so it will treat your existing lines and make it plump up and restored, and also it can instantly make lines disappear. So it's a two-in-one. It's perfect when you have a photo shoot or a wedding day. Go straight into this and really treat my skin today because it's a facial day today. So I'm using this vitamin C square. There is a hidden piece of vitamin C film, and this is very good. So dissolve it with the F1 freshener. So you dissolve it and then put the serum and put it on the face. Okay. And you dissolve it well. And then put on the face. I want to say that this vitamin C square is one of my favorite. I cannot live without it. I tell you, if you want to look young and look good, okay, you need the vitamin C square. It's 100% vitamin C, and it's totally just vitamin C. It is our beauty industry first. No one has created a vitamin C square. So I want to thank you all for watching this video throughout the whole entire. I want to give a gift to you guys. So for those of you who leave a comment in the in this post, I'm going to select a lucky winner and to give away this bestseller vitamin C square, first in the whole entire world. We have no beauty brand has created a vitamin C square that is in a film. So it just melts away with water and it will give you fresh vitamin C to your skin. So you see, after about 15 minutes of talking to you guys, my skin is still really nice. So I'm gonna complete my regimen with the biocellulose mask here. So this is my favorite. So this mask, right, comes with 3 layers. So it has two mesh layer that wraps and protects the actual layer of the mask, which is like a coconut kind of material. So it's a coconut flesh. It's so cute, right? So it's very moisturizing. Actually, this piece of the mesh, I will put it on my legs so that my legs is smooth. And then this is the actual coconut flesh mask. So I will put it over my face and gonna leave on. This is the only mask that I can leave on for 40 minutes. Yeah, so good. This is so good. And it feels so cool, and it's stretchable, so it can fit your face for sure. It's stretchable. It's so good. Okay, make sure you lift this area up, right?
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna try. Do that thing you do before. Say, move for me, hey. And when you're done,
Hi guys, how have you been? I've been lately resting because of the COVID-19. We also try to be home and also doing more online videos and such. So I just want to share a little bit with you guys, like things that to hope that you guys are taking good precautions. So drink enough. They say drink enough yogurt. So I'm drinking my Vitagen and also my vitamin C as well. And when I'm out in crowded areas, I will wear my mask. So do wear your mask. The wire part is the on the top, and you put your mask. Okay. So also remember to sanitize your hands. To sanitize your hands if you are outside and you touch public places, so so as not to contaminate and it's dirty, you let the sanitizer dry itself. So this is how you sanitize your fingers and hands, right? And what's next? Okay, so the wet wipes is not as good as sanitizer, because sanitizers, when it dries, the germs also go away, the bacteria as well, but wet wipes, it moves the virus around, so it's only good for wiping tables and chairs, right? And remember to take your thermometer, your temperature every day. So I'm 36. And what else? Not to touch your face. So eye, nose, mouth, do not touch it when you're outside. So make sure and stay positive, stay strong, and stay germ free, virus free. Okay, so drink a lot of water. Remember to drink a lot of water. So I've been drinking a lot more water ever since that. So I think this virus has taught us a lot of things about hygiene. So things that we have taken for granted, and things that we really need to put into more attention for. So like drinking lots and lots of water, and also to take your vitamins, your supplements. And I've really been much more hardworking because of this, yeah, and not to eat heaty food, and also drink lots and lots of water after eating heaty food. So these are the things that I think is really good habits, and I feel that everyone should just stay happy and be positive.
Funny, move, funny, eh, eh. And when you're done, I make you